Alright guys, how's it going? Doing a exhaust build today after work. Pretty shitty weather. Pretty pesh. But we'll give it a go. Got some pipe and stuff. Yeah, see how this goes. Well, got some essentials. Blue roll. This is definitely not kitchen roll. This is blue roll for use in the garage. So I've got that.
Standard exhaust.
Let's see.
Don't break my tang ratchet. It cost me money. Oh, that's what
Everyone else will be cracked as well. Here, I was doing that with one hand.
What?
I'm
looking after my tang ratchet though.
Because it needs
Oh,
like that.
did I tell you what the situation is of yours?
Mm-hmm.
It's still in tang.
Oh, you said that.
Oh jeez.
I thought you meant like I wasn't getting it back or it was broken or...
I'll crack this one.
Yeah.
And then we don't need to loosen them all the way.
Don't think so, no. You managing there?
Yes.
Just that.
I thought it was my ratchet.
I thought you were actually as well.
Oh, lovely. Look at this. Hold it in my hand while I take it. Oh, it's so rusty and crappy. Do your hacksaw it straight? Okay, just get this out. That's cool.
No, of course. I do it like that. Just do it on that. Oh, it's in there.
Yeah. I don't feel like it.
Do that.
Oh yeah.
Don't miss. She gone?
I'll probably not.
Let me talk a little bit more.
Are you filming?
Yeah, it's still going.
Oh.
I just chop it off. It's beautiful.
Looks like I see something I shouldn't.
Don't worry about it. There's plenty of stuff I shouldn't care.
Oh, that's a well used socket.
Exhaust I got from the dump for free. Sportex. I lost one on the Clio, so we'll see. Probably.
Can I smash a Jaffa cake?
Hmm?
Can I smash a Jaffa cake?
Yeah, whatever you
You don't get that for the McFitties.
Hmm?
You don't get that from McFitties, you know, like individual wee packets. Look at that, wee tray. You're not just going to cut that?
There we go. That's what happened to that. Was that the reducer? Was that the reducer? That's the reducer there. Oh, they smell good.
Yeah, take one. I'll put them here in the very safety standard stand. Don't say Mark's just exhaust pipe when he smashed it.
I'm shocked, eh?
That's AIDS. That's literally AIDS. Like, you don't want to touch that because you'll get AIDS. Even I'm not that bad. I've done the exhaust in the
I
pole.
bet you there's nicer diseases in Africa than that.
Even I'm not as bad as doing something like that. Can I bin this because it's upsetting me?
That's not good anymore.
No, you didn't see this.
Where'd the reducer go? Oh, I put it in it.
Do you think we could salvage a bit of that? No.
Nah.
We've got pipe anyway, we can make
Yeah.
something. The pole though. Some of the gaps were really big. I was like, I can't be arsed cutting a new section for this.
So you tried to film it?
So I didn't try, I did. I was like,
what
yeah.
with brush sealer?
And see there's no exhaust at all in there.
Yeah, there's no exhaust.
Yeah, but no back box. Take the scene pen with you. Don't know if you guys have seen, but this is the Polo. The one I was working on the bumper on. As you see, I've got a nice splitter in there as well, with a cable tie. and in the back, it's stripped.
Yeah, I need some light.
Yeah, I'm just shining it down.
I'm showing off your shit box.
That's going in, by the way. Right, you put the light at your head.
Right there.
Clamped on, and it was the dodgiest like clamp ever. It actually held though. And when I done the Sportex was made to fit. That was an exact one for the car.
Mhm.
Now what we'll do, if we're gonna be cutting and grinding,
Yeah.
we use a hacksaw just to slice that.
That.
Where are you cutting it? Where's it got cut? You cut.
As close to that as possible.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I can't see a thing.
How not? Careful, Stephen.
Right. Shine that light. I don't want to like cut myself.
You ready?
Can't see where I'm going. Wait, come down further.
Oh, it's cold. Is that better? Keep going. What are you doing?
Moving it around.
Oh, here comes a really horrible, disgusting cut, isn't it? It's going to be like all wonky.
That might help if you're not shining the light properly.
Is that better? Is that better?
That's way better.
What is this sweet table?
Tables help me out.
That's funny.
Oh, that line is perfect. Like you see on yours. Oh, clear.
Right, back inside.
That's how you do it with safety and precautions.
Fuck off.
Wait for the safety belt.
That's it, exhaust done.
Yep, we're just straight by now.
I would as well.
Also, I watched George's video on this bread fan. Did you see it?
He's got one of those bread, man.
Yeah, he's undersealing it.
No, I didn't see that.
He's probably been watching this, laughing at
Hi,
us,
George.
thinking it's so bad.
I do.
And he was like probably like preparing, and we were just here like whacking things down. Oh my god!
Did it stick out?
Yes, that looks cool. That looks good.
There's a bit more to go in.
Look, it doesn't look good, but it's.
That's it in.
We'll be able to straighten that up. Like.
Yeah, I'll have play in it anyway.
Yeah, we've got a wee bit of play. No, like, wait, don't we hold that? Okay, come out and see this. There. Yeah, that'll even line up with your gay carbon fibre bit.
Shut up.
It makes no difference. Do you want me to hold it? Just start it up.
No. Because it's all those manifold leaks anyway. This won't make much of a difference until we get that started.
No, just to see it. We'll make that first.
Yeah. This is more just the police side of things.
You need to watch when you reverse onto like a curb or like a parking near a curb. Remember how it's low this is swing. That is gonna scrape on the ground, I just realised.
This isn't low, Stephen.
No, on the back though. Once that's key banging away, you know flames coming out of that. No worries of catching your bumper on fire.
You talk so about a pen.
Wait, I'll get a shot of the welds, so all the internet welders can judge.
Look at that.
This game not bad. That's a cheap Draper MIG, £100 MIG welder.
I like that.
This came out well. That's what this car deserves. Don't deserve anything better.
I need to remember that's still really hot.
Really?
Yeah.
I was touching a bit.
Ooh. We may have put this on. Oh no.
No, just
That's it, isn't it?
no, like here, isn't it?
Alright.
Oh, it's a wee bit squint actually.
Is it?
No, there's more room for movement like before.
You sure?
Like-
Okay.
No, that's okay. Wait, come out and see this. Does that look straight to you?
Oh, straight enough.
Give it a rev.
Was there any smoke coming out of it?
Wee bit. It doesn't sound much different, really.
Well, that's because there's still those other holes.
Do
I
I
mean,
weld,
that pipe has holes in it, Stu.
do I weld it up? Is it bad holes or?
Just wee ones. Nah, do it another day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
I'll hold the end of the exhaust just to get a, so it's as straight as possible.
Is it in place?
I'll get as straight as possible here.
Is that kind of in the right place?
Yeah, well I'll hold it. I'll put the camera aside just now.